Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to download app that is not available in your country. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, open App Store and search here PayPal. As you can see, I'm searching PayPal app. As you can see, there is no PayPal app because it's not available in my country. PayPal is not supported in my country. That's why it's not showing in App Store. As you can see, we search again. As you can see, there is not available by PayPal. So how can we download it? Let's go ahead. First of all, again open App Store. Open it and tap on profile icon and tap on Apple ID profile. Here is the country region, tap it. Tap on change country region and as you can see, I have selected Pakistan. So now we are changing the country at United States. Tap on agree. So select the payment method add now. Fill the formalities. You can fill. Here is my zip code. You can search your zip code on Google by your city name. Tap on next. That's it. Now go back to App Store. Search here PayPal. As you can see, PayPal is available right now in the App Store. As you can see, here is the PayPal. You can get it. If you have any problem, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.